The Nicholas Snack Company will make 8,274 ounces of corn chips next year. The company plans to put the chips into 4-ounce bags. After filling as many bags as possible, how many ounces of corn chips will be left over? All right, so in order to find out our answer, we're going to do some division. So 8,274 are going to be divided into 4-ounce bags. So we're going to divide that by 4. Now let's set up our standard division problem, which is going to look like this. Put your larger number inside the house, so 8, 2, 7, 4, and put your smaller number on the outside. Now in order to divide and see how many times 4 goes into 8,274, I'm going to go left to right, digit by digit. So 4 goes into 8 exactly 2 times. Now we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, you get 0. Drop down the next digit, which is 2. 4 goes into 2 0 times. So I can't do anything, and now I'm going to drop down my next digit, which is 7. 4 goes into 27 6 times, because 6 times 4 is 24, which is just underneath 27. We subtract, and 27 minus 24 is 3. Now we bring down our last number. 4 goes into 34 8 times. 8 whole times, but not exactly 8 times, because 8 times 4 is 32. And when you subtract, you get a remainder of 2. No more numbers to drop down, so you do get a remainder of exactly 2. Now, what this means is if we're going to put this many ounces of chips into 4-ounce bags, you will be able to fill 2,068 whole bags and have 2 ounces left over. Now, what's the question asking? How many ounces of corn chips will be left over? Well, that is your remainder. So the answer is going to be 2 ounces will be left over.